Want to know how to pick the best local contractors without getting ripped off or stuck with a nightmare job? Okay, so first off, always check reviews and ask for references before you even think about signing anything. Word of mouth is gold, you know? Next, get at least 3 quotes so you can compare prices and see who's being realistic and who's trying to scam you. Don't just go for the cheapest option because sometimes that means cutting corners. Make sure the contractor is licensed and insured. This protects you if something goes wrong. Also, get everything in writing, detailed contract, payment schedule, timelines, and what exactly is included. Keep communication clear and frequent. Don't be shy about asking questions or updates. It's smart to pay in installments tied to milestones instead of all up front. And finally, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hiring local contractors is not checking licensing and insurance. Without this, you could be on the hook for damages or injuries. Fix it by asking for proof before work starts. Another issue is vague contracts that don't spell out the scope or timeline, leading to surprise costs or delays. Always get detailed contracts and read them carefully. Third, many folks pay too much upfront and lose leverage. Avoid this by setting payment milestones based on completed work so the contractor stays motivated to finish strong. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors way easier by connecting homeowners with vetted professionals who actually deliver solid results. If you're a contractor, it's a great place to get steady work from people who need your skills without all the hassle of marketing yourself.